Good morning, class. First, let us continue the chapter. Hopefully, today we will able to complete this chapter. And with this, your grammar syllabus will be completed. Reader syllabus is also complete. So, we will start our revision. Okay? What we will start, beta? Our revision. Okay? Now, see. Yesterday, we were explaining interjection. We were doing interjection. In interjection, I told you the words like hurry up, keep up the spirit, congratulations, touch wood, hats off to you, well done, what a great victory, what a pity. These words like wow, these words, they are having no meaning. Only they are expressing our feelings. इन वर्ड्स का कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, ये सिर्फ हमारे जो फीलिंग्स हैं ये एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. और डेट्स वाई कौन सा ये मार्क यूज होता है इनके साथ में? एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. आफ्टर एवरी वर्ड वी यूज टू शो दैट दिस वर्ड टेल्स आवर फीलिंग. जो एक सडन फीलिंग आपके एकदम से आती है माइंड में, ठीक है, हार्ट में जो एक सडन फीलिंग आती है जो आप उसको एक्सप्रेस करते हो, ठीक है, तो आप क्या यूज़ करते हो बेटा? एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट. सो yesterday, first let us revise exercise 1 of yesterday. Okay, then we will do exercise 2 and exercise 3, and today we will hopefully able to complete this chapter. So sharp your pencil beta everyone. Take eraser, open your book, take out page number 42. Now see exercise 1. Depict strong expression and correct each sentence using suitable express in its place. In these sentence beta, exclamatory जो interjection words हैं wrong are given and we have to correct them. What we have to do? We have to correct them. Okay? Now see. First one is like suppose you stood first in the competition. Now this is a regarding his performance that he stood first and it's very nice, so that's why well done. तो अगर आपका ये है shame on you, इसको आपको चेंज करना है well done में. Okay, like these exclamatory words are wrong given, we have to correct them. Okay, now see how sad. Shyam has found his lost son after 10 years. Now see, after 10 years he has got his son. So it's totally unbelievable. है ना, विश्वास नहीं होता ना. So either you can write unbelievable. Beta, when we are using these interjection words na, we have to use exclamatory mark. What we have to use beta? Exclamatory mark. Okay. So then now so right here either you can write eureka. Eureka is also the word used when you have found anything. that was lost from a long time and now you have found it. You are too happy. Then also we say Eureka. Okay. So either say Eureka or you can say how unbelievable. Okay. Anyone you can write. And put exclamatory mark beta with the word. That's very important. Now written Eureka. Speak with me also. Eureka. Better do one thing, just write both the options. So while learning, you can write any one. Okay, you should know that these two can come. So write here unbelievable also. Now written unbelievable. Sham has found his lost son after 10 years. Okay. Now next is silence please. I will help you in your hours of sorrow. That means when your tough time is there, then I will help you. Okay. So what you will write there? Write there certainly. Okay. Or surely I will help you. Okay. So write there certainly. I will help you in your hours of sorrow. Okay. Done. So again I am repeating, certainly I will help you in your hours of sorrow. Now see your next exercise beta. Hurry up, you are defeated by your junior. Now if we say hurry up, if we say hurry up, then change it by how disgraceful. Because see hurry up, you are defeated by your junior. ये वर्ड जो है ये आपको प्रॉपर नहीं कर रहा है ना. So right there, how disgraceful. How disgraceful you are defeated by your junior. Now next sentence is written everyone. Disgraceful मतलब जिसको आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे है ना, कितना शर्मिंदा है. ओके. Disgraceful you can say embarrassed, for which you are ashamed. Now how a cunning person you are. You are Cunning, that means very clever. Okay, very clever person. So what a clever person you are. Okay, you are giving a helping hand to Ram in his critical condition. अब क्रिटिकल कंडीशन कोई वर्स टाइम होता है, अगर आप उसमें किसी की हेल्प करोगे देन इट इज़ वेरी नाइस, है ना. तो होल सेंटेंस यू अंडरलाइन इट. व्हाट अ कनिंग पर्सन यू आर. Right there. May God bless you. Either you can write this one. May God bless you. Or put exclamatory mark. Whatever you are writing your feelings whenever you are expressing, then use exclamatory mark beta. Or you can write hats off to you. See, when anyone is helping any other, then of course we are grateful to that person. So you can write hats off to you. And use exclamatory mark beta. Now next देखो बेटा. How disgraceful. You are going to take part in the district level football tournament. Now you are very much happy कि आपकी कोई कुलीग डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल के फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट में अगर कुछ पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है तो वो इजी नहीं है. इट्स नॉट एन इजी जॉब, इट्स वेरी टफ कि कितने लेवल्स को वो क्रॉस कर गई. सो यू आर वेरी हैप्पी. सो राइट देयर, अंडरलाइन दिस वन, हाउ डिस्ग्रेसफुल. राइट देयर, कीप अप द स्पिरिट. दैट मीन्स कंटिन्यू योर प्रोग्रेस. कीप अप द स्पिरिट मतलब जो आप प्रोग्रेस करते जा रहे हो, बढ़ते जा रहे हो, उसको कंटिन्यू करते जाओ. ओके, सो कीप अप द स्पिरिट. You are going to take part in the district level football tournament. Then now match the following words of column A with corresponding sensible sentences. Now we have to match with there. Okay, beta, in this 2-3 wrong are given, so avoid that. Okay, so how palatable. Palatable word we use where you are surprised to see. Okay, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट शुड हैपन और उसके टोटली अपोजिट हो जाते हैं तो आप बहुत सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं. और नॉर्मल भी एक सडन शॉक वाली जो फीलिंग होती है ना, दैट मीन्स सरप्राइज्ड. सरप्राइज्ड कैन बी इन गुड सेंस ऑल्सो एंड इन बैड सेंस ऑल्सो. दोनों वे में हो सकता है. कुछ ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हो गया हो या आपने ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा हो. ठीक है, इन दैट वे. So right there, how palatable. I haven't had such delicious food before. इतना टेस्टी खाना मैंने कभी नहीं खाया. मैंने आपको बोला ना, पैलेटेबल होता है सरप्राइजिंग वे में. इट कैन बी गुड ऑल्सो और इट कैन बी बैड ऑल्सो. पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है उसका, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. सो नेक्स्ट इज कीप अप द स्पिरिट, मतलब अपनी जो प्रोग्रेस है वो ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करते रहो. ओके, सो राइट हेयर ट्रू एंड कट योर मोर ओवर. कीप अप द स्पिरिट, you try your best. Okay. Congratulations you give when a celebration moment is there. So right there, your brother got married. Congratulations, your brother got married. Now next you see excellent, right? We want you to work hard for first rank. That means already you have achieved very nice. So here you can write, we want you to work hard for first rank. Now next is excellent. Excellent done. Now shame on you. You are afraid of your younger brother. So mark here 5. Shame on you. You are afraid of your younger brother. What a great victory. We won by 2 goals. Right there. What a great victory. We won by 2 goals. How disgraceful. A respectable person as you could do this. Now ये surprising था कि एक respectable person ऐसा भी कर सकता है. So right there. 7. How lovely. I myself will take this cloth. Now next is fill in the appropriate expressions of strong feelings. First write how tragic. The power failed in the nick of time. See beta, when electricity is not there, when there is a most need, nick of time, that means ये short time period के लिए ही आपको सबसे ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ज़रूरत है, and at that time it is not there. So you can write there How tragic. Written everyone, how tragic. The power failed in the nick of time. The next is better you can write as it is because here exclamatory mark is already there. See, after the blank, every blank exclamatory mark is there, so you can write as it is. The next is have mercy on me, said the kidnapped child to the cruel kidnappers. So when like this condition is there, so write there, for God's sake. Mercy means दया करो. The next is beware, मतलब दूर रहो, ध्यान रखो. beware का मतलब ये होता है कि आप ध्यान में रहे, ओके, या उससे डिस्टेंस पे रहो. Of the fears, a Russian dog that Mr. Shah has kept in his house. Okay. Written beware. Next, write how palatable. Palatable means when it can be or positive, you are surprised by something. Okay. और आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कोई ट्रैजिक वाली पॉइंट हो तो वहाँ पे भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. How palatable your mother kept on telling you not to neglect your studies, but you did. आपकी मम्मी कहती रही कि आप इन स्टडीज़ को मत ऐसे करो, फिर भी आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. Or you can write how tragic. Next, write what nonsense. Right there. What nonsense. Who told you that my legs are fractured? See, I am playing football. See, of course, opposite are there. Anyone is told that leg fracture is there and he's playing with football. So that's why I write what nonsense. Now I am holding for a minute. So complete it, everyone. And check your series. What is the series of second question? 7, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 6, 8. Again I am repeating 7 4 5 1 3 2 6 8. So completed. So learn this chapter very nicely.